What's going on, guys? I have a 21 Nissan Versa here, and I'm doing the brakes on it. And the way I clean the rust off of the flange face here for the front hub bearing before I put the rotor on, one of the most important things is cleaning this face off. The reason is when you go to clamp that wheel and stuff down on the outside and it puts all the pressure on the center of the rotor, and you got rust and uneven surfaces, it can actually cause the rotor to warp. Over tightening can cause the rotor to warp when you over tighten the lug nuts, and not having this hub flange cleaned up properly. One of the subscribers here on the channel recommended a tool that he wanted me to display that he uses, and I went ahead and picked it up. It's the 51798 Titan. I think you can find these at O'Reilly. You can find these on Amazon, and it's a brake hub cleaning kit. And what it is it's got these different abrasive discs here that are for rust stripping, and it comes as a socket combo for instead of it being a shank drive like some of them are, it's a socket. The socket and a couple of the discs come with the kit, and you actually can buy refills for it. Are they the cheapest? No, it's about $20-25 a kit, and I've already done one side. I'll show you what it looks like here. So now I've got my impact on here. I kind of rock it back and forth, and then you look behind where the stud's at. Super clean. You want to go more? And then we go to the next one. And the next one. And the next one. And then you could clean in between. I would typically use my grinder for cleaning in between because I don't like wearing out these pads faster. But it works for this as well. Let me clean it up real quick. I'll show you what it looks like. And there it is. It's on the outside done all the way around. Is that good? Yeah, it's good. Is it completely done? No, it can't get everything. Sometimes you need a second tool. So I like to sometimes bring in my wire wheel to get in around the hub face. Let me do that and I'll show you what it looks like then. There you go, that's with the wire wheel. Is it better? Yeah, it's better, but is it perfect? No, it's not. It's really hard to get back in every single little groove. That's good enough to move forward. Thank you for the recommendation. I will be using this more often than I thought I would. I really like this Titan wheel hub cleaning kit, and that was an awesome suggestion that you gave. And thank you for allowing me to partake in the demonstration of this tool via your recommendation. Appreciate it.